three possibly lessons that you can just say कि एक दो तीन top three lessons that you have had as an entrepreneur, that you possibly people who are watching want to get into entrepreneur journey themselves, they can learn.
That you don't have to change the world. You don't have to like say, ki, okay, I have impacted 1,000 people. One person is enough. If you are
Right.
able to create something good for them, impact is also a big
Right.
word. Something good, some good experience. Answer, good memory. Human resource कैसे है? मतलब पहाड़ का समझ आता है, पत्थर दे रहा है, नदी का समझ आता है, पानी आ रहा है, खाने का समझ आ रहा है. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स कैसे बन गया? ह्यूमन रिसोर्स तो है, लेकिन वो तभी एक कंट्री के
अच्छा.
लिए रिसोर्स है जब वो ह्यूमन कैपिटल बन जाए. Taking a training session on menstrual hygiene management, very difficult subject to talk about when you're doing in the community level. क्योंकि fraction of people they think that आप उनके बच्चों को बदतमीज बना रहे हैं. Now there was this girl and I still remember her, like she was like or maybe somewhere around 16, 17, very young girl. So she came to me after the training session. She was like, मैम आपको पता नहीं है, यहाँ पे ना आप आए थे ना तो सब लोग मिल के कोशिश यही कर रहे थे कि आपको डांटेंगे और मार के भगा देंगे.
Oh my god. Looking to get into training or possibly want to get associated with you. थोड़ा सा बैक स्टोरी बताएं. Mehan, what Mehan does, what are the different programs that you offer?
So we started Mehan as Mental Health Allies Network. The full form of Mehan is this, by the way. Our initiative which is called Youth Hub. Now Youth Hub means it's a kind of aggregated platform.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, it's a like public platform only. So what we are trying to solve over there is a lot of aggregators are there for jobs, right? Naukri.com, Shine.com, Indeed, then a lot of other are there. So what we are trying to create it, all the kind of these platforms, job giving platforms on one platform only for the youth. And most likely we are trying to create the local environment also, local employment also, because a lot of time it's not easier for the people and especially female from rural India to walk out of their home, migrate out of their home. So until unless they're getting the opportunities in the local scenario within like 30-50 kilometers of where they're staying, it is very difficult to solve India's unemployment crisis. Anyone who is watching this, please get in touch with me if you want to collaborate with us for these kind of efforts, if you're really into social impact.
Property, my car, you have like a legal will. How about writing a will of your life?
For this wonderful approach as well, and I'm very happy. Like I said, we align on a lot of things, but I live my life day by day, by the way. I have this thing. And day by day, it's not a sadistic thought. Like, so I would like my business to go to at least because I have a lot of books, people. I think so. I'm looking around and seeing how many books I have right